Hello, I'm Jamie from EZClaim. In this video, I'm going to talk about the use of conditional formatting in your EZClaim program. I'll go over what conditional formatting is, why it's useful, and I'll show a few examples of how to use it in EZClaim. Conditional formatting allows you to apply a format or rule to a cell or range of cells, which can help you visualize data in your program. This can be set up in any grid in EZClaim, including the quick access grids and your fine grids. Some common rules include highlighting a patient once a high account balance is reached, or when a set amount of statements have been sent out. As you can see here in my EZClaim, I've created a rule that highlights the patient red to indicate when they have a patient balance. I'm going to use my fine claim grid for this example. To create this rule, you want to right-click from any column header and select Conditional Formatting from the submenu. You want to select either Highlight Cell Rules, Custom Condition, or you can select Manage Rules. Manage Rules will allow you to see and edit any existing rules, as well as create new ones. For this example, we're just going to use the Highlight Cell Custom Condition. This is the best option for a simple rule to be created. Once Custom Condition is selected, a pop-up appears at the beginning of a rule is started. The field that you right-clicked from is in blue. If that's not the cell you want to base your rule on, click on the blue word and you can see all of your options. Since I'm building a rule based on patient balance, I'll need to scroll down the list and select patient balance. Next is the action word in green. Since I'm not looking for certain balances to equal a certain value, I'm going to click on the word and see what my options are. I'm going to select is greater than. Now you can enter the value or the amount that you want the patient balance to be greater than. I'm just going to type in $0 to capture any patient balance. Now we need to tell the program how we want to be alerted when this condition has been met. At the bottom of our pop-up, we can see what our options are. Bold text, color fill, and italic are some of the options. For this rule, I'm going to select red fill and check the box to apply formatting to an entire row. We now see that rule in action. If I want to change or edit my rule, I would right-click from a column header, select Conditional Formatting, and Manage Rules. Click anywhere in the rule, and your Edit, Delete, and Up or Down buttons are available. I'm going to select Edit Rule and show you what some of your other options are. As you can see, there are many options for formatting your data. Not only can you choose fill colors, but you can also choose color scales, data bars, and icon sets. A useful tip I'd like to share with you is how you can create a rule for a certain field that's not even in view and still be alerted when your condition is met. In the Patient Quick Access pane, I'm going to create a rule to alert me when the patient reminder note is populated. I'll right-click from Patient Quick Access, go to Conditional Formatting, and start to create my rule. Reminder note is not blank, and bold applied to the entire row. As you can see, the possibilities are endless with conditional formatting in EZClaim.